Hi, I'm Rory and welcome along to another Studio Short video. Today we're going to take a look at the statistics module in Reporter in the native client of Studio. So if I start off by going here to the ComReport icon, clicking on here and then choosing New Statistic window. Okay, so we now have some options that we can use to create a report. Here in the templates, you can see there are a few built-in templates. So we can see call requests. So a call request is a help point calling an operator, for example. You can also have call statistics per time, a log report, or operator performance. So let's start with call requests. We can use segmentation, where we have the choice of day overview, calendar day overview, and so on. I'll just leave this on no segmentation for now. We can also configure a filter. Again, I'll leave that as is. Here we have a time filter so that we can choose the period in which to display. So we can choose from days, weeks, months, or even a from to. I'll just choose the last 3 months as this is a test system. There are other filters we can set here, but I'll leave those as is and just press execute. Okay, that's created our report. And here we can see on my system here, in the last 3 months, there have been 44 calls that have been made and that have been answered within 30 seconds. The average call duration for these is 5 seconds. There were no calls that were answered between 30 and 60, and so on and so forth. If you would like to export this into a usable format, you can here by choosing PDF, HTML, or even Excel. I'll choose Excel here. I'll use the standard options and press OK, and it will ask me to give it a name. So call request, okay, that's fine. We'll just press save. It'll ask if we want to open it now, so we'll press yes. And here we can see our data inside of Excel, all in the tables. This is now ready for you to do as you wish, make a graph or send to someone else.